For the first time, a Filipino-built maritime training system is opening its doors to the world. Step Up Masterclass is now officially international. For the past years, I've trained Filipino seafarers not just to pass exams, but to become real, competent officers on board. Third mates, second mates, men who were once unsure on the bridge are now confidently handling real operations at sea. And now, we're taking that same system beyond the Philippines to every aspiring officer around the world. If you want to become a true OIC What I know, not just certified but competent, this training is for you. This is not theory heavy learning. This is real onboard knowledge, the kind you only get from experience. And to my fellow Filipinos, this moment matters because what we built from our experience, from our struggles, from our time at sea, is now being recognized globally. Hindi lang tayo basta crew. We are now becoming a source of training for the world. And I'm proud to represent Filipino seafarers on the international stage. I'm Captain Paul Malinao, former second officer, trainer, and creator of Step Up Masterclass. If you're serious about stepping up your career, whether you're from the Philippines or anywhere in the world, this is your chance to learn what actually happens on board. Enrollment is now open. Comment free and I'll send you access to the training details. Hindi ka bobo, kulang ka lang sa training.